Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change the default search engine in Safari in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings, and in settings scroll down, and in last you can see the option apps. Click on apps and now scroll down and then click on Safari. After clicking on Safari, you can see the option search engine. Click on search engine. Here you can see Google is selected by default, and here you can select any search engine. So this is the way to change default search engine in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.